Make sure to watch the end of this video for a big announcement.
We're live on Corny Radio. All right, everybody, we're here this week to talk about Ontario corn.
It's back, baby, and better than ever.
Ontario corn, one of our favorite local produce items, fan favorite across the province. Everybody waits for Ontario corn.
Do you know how local it is, Giancarlo?
How local?
It's from Thompson Potato Farm, which is only 10 kilometers away from our Sharon store, and the furthest being 40 kilometers from our Tottenham store.
You can't get more local than that.
Nope, not unless we picked it right from this bushel right here.
Which we're going to do.
Let's do it!
So even though they're called Thompson Potato Farm, they actually grow quite a bit of corn. And we've been buying our Ontario corn for Vince's Market for decades.
Probably older than me.
How old are you?
25.
Yes, older than you. Because it's so local,
Yes.
we can just call the farmer and say, hey farmer,
We need more.
we need corn. Literally next day or same day, fresh corn right from the field brought to Vince's Market.
Magical.
That's why our corn is so good.
So with corn so fresh and delicious, how are we gonna cook it?
You can go from as easy as microwaving it.
But you told me you like boiling it and then grilling it.
I do like boiling and then grilling. I find that boiling it, you get the plumpness,
Yes.
the water retention,
Yes.
and then you can just finish it off with those chars.
I love that.
Versus if you just grill it, I find it dries it out for me.
Corn is actually very rich in vitamin C, and it helps fight diseases like heart disease and potentially cancer.
Amazing.
It also
Well,
has...
cancer's not amazing. The fighting is good.
We get you, we get you. It's also rich in lutein, which is great for your eye health.
Hold on. Lutein was in Conestoga eggs.
Oh my gosh, there you go.
Or you get into our Conestoga line, which has lutein added to it, as well as omega-3.
Let's have a competition.
A shucking competition?
Yes.
Like who can shuck 6 corn the fastest?
The fastest and the cleanest.
Deal.
Okay.
Well, I killed you on time.
You have many more years of experience on me.
Well, you've got so many silkies on here still. Look at this. We're gonna boil corn, we're gonna steam corn, we're gonna microwave corn.
I'm interested to see your microwave method because I've never experienced that, nor do I own a microwave. You don't put it in water?
Nope. Look at this. That was 3 minutes. Just a quick little thing, Derek, for our viewers at home, because maybe some people go and they think that they're gonna like break the corn in half like this. If they want half corn, just grab a chef's knife and just give it like a little cut. Nothing too heavy, but just a little cut. And then once you do that little cut, it's a lot easier. And it got all over my glasses because it's really fresh. And again, so we're gonna throw this in the steamer.
I know, this is a facial.
It's amazing. Corn
Facial.
Well, we have our corn prepared the 3 easiest ways you can prepare corn.
Yes.
Very basic, very simple.
With all of these ways, really, you could toss them on the barbecue after if you wanted.
100%.
Get that little char.
So if we look at the microwave corn, it looks like corn.
It looks like it wants to turn into popcorn.
So hold on, you're claiming an entire brick to yourself? I just
I
want-
need it for rolling purposes.
So when you go to your barbecue, do you share the butter?
You haven't bit the corn yet, so yes.
So I'm a salt and pepper on my corn.
Isn't everybody a salt and pepper on their corn?
All right, so how do you eat your corn? So I'm a cutter.
I'm a biter.
Tastes like corn.
Yeah.
Why would it taste like anything else? Not too much liquidy. Okay, so the steamed definitely has a sweeter taste. Less taste than the steam. I like the steam the best so far. There's more flavor.
Totally steam. Wow.
I never would have thought that. Me neither. We're steaming at home from now on. We learned something new today.
Steam your corn.
Steam your corn, then grill it if you want.
Yes.
Roll it in some disgusting shared butter.
Oh, he's going in for the butter.
I never do this. This is so like liberating.
You're doing it weird.
Come back to my steamed corn.
Going back to my butter.
Like, follow, subscribe.
Thank you for watching our Vince's at Home videos. We're doing a big giveaway. We're giving away a $100 Visa gift card. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite part of this video to be entered in the giveaway. We'll be announcing the lucky winner on July 28th, so make sure you tune into our video.